Good day, everybody. Ricardo, Mendiola, credit and real estate expert. Today, I wanted to talk about credit scores as they pertain to buying a house. A lot of people don't know what the lender looks at whenever you're trying to get approved for a home. Do they look at your high score? Do they look at your middle score, your low score? Do they take an average? The answer is your middle score. So let me give you an example. If you have with the three bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, Equifax, let's say you have a 700 with one bureau, a 690 with the other bureau, a 680 with the other bureau, they're going to use your 690 middle score. Now, if there's two of you, if you have a significant other, okay, they're going to go with the lowest middle score of the two. So if the husband has a 690 middle score, but then the wife has a 650 middle score, they're going to use the 650 middle score to determine whether you're approved or not and determine what kind of interest rate you're going to get. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment, or also you could give me a call. Thank you very much.